Hi, my name is RAMSEY Spencer. I'm a fashion photographer, and today I'm here at the Leica Amsterdam store, and I'm gonna unbox for you the Leica Q2 Ghost. I know I'm not the only one who's unboxing it, or not the first one, but nevertheless, today it's too hard to get, and I would like to show you what we have in the box. My style, my version, for whoever's following me, and let's see what is it. The typical Leica thing, box inside the box inside the box. And so it comes like this, comes with a strap, and it also comes with a hood. I think there's one hood, right? So we'll get to it a little bit after, just to show what you guys have in the box. And this is the unique strap, I think it comes with it. And the normal, usual stuff, you have the manual stuff. It's a typical brand new, like I'm still at the store. And you have all the kind of like a charger for the Leica SL 601. It's the same charger, and I think it's also the same battery of the Leica SL 601, which I already have like two of them. Whoever's following me know what kind of gear I have, so you can mix and match. And this is also good for me because I don't have to really have different batteries all the time. So this is like a typical SL charger. Of course you have the cables, and you have the little hood thing, I think, for the kind of protect it if you want to remove the whole thing. It's like a small thing with a small ring. And I think it's the battery. It comes with one battery. Unlike the QP, the one I unboxed for you guys, it was with two batteries and stuff like that. So this is, anyways, if you have like a SL, like a Q2 or that thing, you're gonna have the same battery. So here you have it. It's a beautiful camera, very unique, very exclusive. The color is amazing. I think it stands out between the whole crowd of the Leica family, and it's limited edition. And here you go. I'm here, Leica Amsterdam, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.